Hi guys, 6 तारीख को आई एम इन नागपुर, so in case you want to attend my workshop in Nagpur, that is 6th को for CAT CET, all the people, and the workshop is there. In Pune I am there on 7th. So 7th को अगर आपको workshop attend करना है शाम को, so in case you want to attend, it's just a one-to-one meet, sorry. So in Pune for CAT 21 and CET 22, you are most welcome to attend the workshop for CAT 21, CET 22. Otherwise, in case you want to join a program for books, more shortcut, which plan you want to join, just call the numbers, call any of the numbers given here. In case you want to attend in Pune or Nagpur, just WhatsApp the number of Pune and Nagpur. Okay, they will reply to you with the confirmation. Hi guys, let's go to another GEM college. This is one of the most beautiful campuses you will ever find. So Pune based college. Let me share the screen with you. So this is College of Engineering Pune. College of Engineering was an engineering college. They've started their MBA college. Fine. They've just celebrated 150 years of heritage building. So 150 years old campus, a beautiful campus, colonial campus. So you can study here. Fine. I could find this college to be very similar with Ferguson College. So campus wise, even Pune University campus is very similar to this. Okay, so anyone from COEP, if you can share a video of your college, it'll be great help so that I can make a video on that, because these kind of things are, trust me, really very motivating even for me to make a video on that. So they started their MBA college as well. Now some might be asking, क्यों शुरू करते हैं MBA college? अरे यार IIT Bombay ने शुरू कर दिया. IIT Bombay, which is the flagship engineering college, have started MBA program. Go to cetking.com/COEP. I've given the complete detail about the criteria, about this thing, about your fee structure, everything is given there. Okay, we'll talk about the fees and average salary as well. So first of all, let's talk about the college. So they have been allocated 30 seats. सरकारी कॉलेज है, पहले कम ही सीटें होती हैं. पहले क्या, बाद में जाके भी JB आज भी 120 ही है. IIMS वाले 500 पार हो गए, ये वाले भी 120 पे घूम रहे हैं फीस वाइज, सॉरी नॉन इनटेक वाइज. सो पुणे COEP Pune, number of seats are 30. It's unaided college. Unaided matlab there is no support from the government. So this means fees will be high. Total number of seats are only 30. उसके अलावा 3 seats economically backward and 2 seats for TFWS. We'll talk about that थोड़ी देर में कि TFWS क्या होता है. So I've opened this table. I really like this kind of a cutoff explain करने का तरीका ना, because they give the complete name के साथ. Ketan Vivek Joshi is the highest rank holder, 129 marks in cap round 1. Now this way I can feel it. I don't know whether you feel it or not, but मुझे this feel more humane to talk about the cutoff than just give me the number. 120 लेके आ जाओ तुम्हारा हो जाएगा. Okay, 30 intake, 4 all India seats, and then TWFS की बात करेंगे. So the last rank holder in the open category who have got admission is Tejas at 118 marks. This is cap round 1. इसके बाद cap round 2 भी होता है. तो OBC cutoff 116 marks, SC cutoff 110. Can you see there's not much gap? Why? Because A, it's a top college. People know it's a top college. B, this is a seats are less. ST 81, PH open category. I mean within PH category there's an open and reserved seat as well. So they have an open seat which cutoff is 94. Then all India category cutoff 99.61 through CAT, through CMAT, through ATMA, MAT, any of the exams. And EWS cutoff 115 and TWFS cutoff 118. TFWS mean no fees. There is no fees. Obviously you have to pay the library charges and all, otherwise there is no fees. Now if I look at the fee structure, total fees, tuition fees 1,65,000, development fees, gym khana, training, library, all the cost, college aid, student aid fund 150, 200 करते total fees 2 lakh रुपए. Okay, now we don't have the salary, average salary, because अभी पहला बैच घुसा है. ये जो मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, that is the first batch of COEP. But I assume average salary will be around 7. यार COEP वाले अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग वाले कंपनीज को बुला लेना कि आप इंजीनियरिंग वालों को लेने आ रहे हैं, आप एमबीए वाले को भी ले लो, गिव अस ऑलमोस्ट सेम पैकेज, इवन देन their average salary will touch 7 lakhs. So I'm keeping it almost at par with Pumba. 7 to 7.5 lakh will be the average salary which I'm expecting. Okay. So total fees 2 lakh rupees. Alumni association fees is 1500. I'm Ahmedabad ka alumni association fees is 10,000. इधर 1500 में काम हो रहा है. Okay, so all the detail you need is given here. Same way, if you want to check out this kind of a detail for every college, उसका लिंक भी मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दिया है. हर कॉलेज का ब्रेकअप ऐसा कि हर कॉलेज में कितना कट ऑफ आने वाला है. लेट मी ओपन दैट फाइल एज वेल. Then you can see the cutoff of, you can do your research, you can check out the cutoff for every college. ओके, उसका लिंक होएगा cetking.com, cetking.com/cutoff MBA CET. So if you go to that page, top 10 colleges का हर एक का कैप राउंड 1, कैप राउंड 2, सिडनम कैप राउंड 2, विलिंकर, पुम्बा, हर कॉलेज का कैप राउंड 1, कैप राउंड 2 का मैंने कट ऑफ डाल दिया यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो आप एक बार चेक कर सकते हो वहां जाके ऑल द टॉप कॉलेजेस का. ठीक है जी. सो एक बार भाई मेहनत कर लो. Depending upon which category you belong to, that much target you have to do to get into COEP. Otherwise ये आपके पास टेबल है पूरा. आपको लगता है which is more humane? I think giving the name of the people के साथ देखना ज़्यादा ह्यूमन है. ऐसे देखो फील नहीं आती ना, ओबीसी का इतना, SC ST का इतना, तो वो फील नहीं आती. नेम के साथ यू फील इट कि हाँ यार मेहनत किया तो हमारा भी लिस्ट में नाम आएगा. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.